Number 1. The 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, priced at $11,500, features a rebuilt Ford 460 engine. The exterior shows minor rust on quarter panels, but other areas like the trunk and floor are rust-free. The interior has been recently renovated and is in excellent condition with new cream upholstery. It comes equipped with a digital cluster and several upgrades, and it has new tires all around. Although the car runs, stops, and functions well, the engine needs a little tuning for optimal performance. With its strong engine sound, this car is a promising project, though not perfect. It also comes with complete paperwork and does not accept trades. Number 2. The 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $3,800, is well maintained and has undergone several modifications. The car is equipped with a 390 Thunderbird Special V8 engine, producing 335 horsepower and 427 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 3-speed cruise-matic automatic transmission. The exterior is black with red accent stripes on the rocker panels, and it features 14 inches Magnum 500 wheels with 235/60 SX 7000 SR tires, offering a classic yet sporty look. The interior has been updated to red with vinyl seats, a 3-spoke wooden steering wheel, and a center console with an automatic shifter. Additional features include power steering, front power disc brakes, and a JVC stereo system with Bluetooth connectivity. However, there are a few minor issues, such as the driver's seat needing new foam and slight imperfections in the paint. Despite this, the car has an aluminum radiator with an electric fan, showing good maintenance on the engine and cooling side. Number 3. The 1970 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $7,500, is a 2-door coupe with a classic design that remains in original condition. The car is still in decent shape for its age, though there are signs of aging in the paint, some areas of rust, and minor body damage. The interior retains its original retro green look, characteristic of the 1970s. Features include power steering, power brakes, and a 352-barrel engine that still runs. The odometer shows 70,000 miles, indicating the car hasn't been driven much over the years. While not in perfect or restored condition, this car remains appealing to buyers for its preserved originality. However, the price is negotiable. Number 4. The 1970 Oldsmobile Toronado GT, priced at $17,000, comes with a W34 package and has 57,000 miles on it. The car is well maintained with several new components, including the interior vinyl roof, headliner, CV boot, exhaust, fuel pump battery, spark plugs, and wires. The carburetor has been refurbished. The car has a solid body with its iconic green color and an interior that has also been refreshed with vinyl seats. The engine is clean and in good condition, making the car ready to drive smoothly. This car offers a comfortable and robust classic driving experience. Number 5. The 1965 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $15,000, is in very fresh condition. Its exterior is finished in smooth light blue paint with a straight and neat body. The interior is clean with new carpeting and well-preserved seat upholstery. Significant repairs have been made, including a new water pump, power steering pump, fan shroud, belts, distributor wires, spark plugs, ignition coil, front wheel bearings, valve cover gaskets, oil pan, and exhaust system. The dashboard and steering wheel are original, with prominent classic details. The trunk is in excellent condition without significant damage or wear. The engine is well maintained, indicating that the car runs and drives perfectly. Number 6. The 1970 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $7,500, is a classic coupe with body repainted in bright yellow with black accents on the hood, giving it a sporty look. The interior is original, with black leather seats stitched in yellow for contrast. Under the hood is a modified 302 small block engine with an MSD and a new distributor. Maintenance. such as spark plug and oil changes, has been completed, but the car currently does not run due to a timing issue and subframe damage. The owner has a new subframe but has not had the time or funds to fix and get the car back on the road. Number 7. The 1971 Ford Galaxy 500 Coupe, priced at $7,000, has a solid body but shows signs of patina and scratches, giving it an aged look, though it could be repainted if desired. The interior has seen significant improvements, including a rebuilt front bench seat, new carpeting, and a headliner in perfect condition. All door and window seals have been replaced, along with a new carburetor and starter. The car retains original wheels and hubcaps, with mag-style wheels and new tires. The braking and exhaust systems are completely new. The glass is in great shape, and the door hinges have been repaired. Most of the stainless trim on the body has been polished. The car is ready for the road, and a worthy addition to any collection. Number 8. The 1979 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $7,900, has a smooth exterior in silver gray paint. The lights are still functioning, and the large body, with its chrome bumpers, is in good shape. The interior features gray cloth upholstery, though it shows its age. The steering wheel has signs of wear, but the wood-grain dash panels are well preserved. The dashboard and carpeting are clean, with no major damage. This base version comes with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It underwent a recent service in May, including a new battery and fuel pump. The car has likely been stored in a garage for several years, reflecting its low mileage and attentive care. Number 9. The 1970 Buick Riviera Coupe 2D, priced at $6,000, is being sold in need of restoration and interior repairs. However, the car is still operational and drivable, making it a solid project with a strong frame and floor. The exterior has a few dings and minor scratches, but the drivetrain, frame, and floor are reportedly strong. Equipped with the original 455 engine and turbo 400 transmission, the car has great potential for restoration. The owner originally purchased the car as a project for his wife, but after driving it, they decided it was too large, so it's now for sale or negotiable. While the interior needs work, it still has the original materials that require attention to bring it to prime condition. Number 10. The 1971 Ford LTCD convertible, priced at $1,600, is a classic car from the 70s with a light green exterior and dark green interior. In terms of condition, the exterior is well preserved, though some components need attention. The convertible top needs replacing, as it is no longer functioning properly. The interior, though well maintained, requires minor repairs, particularly around the pedals and the floor, which shows some rust. The engine is complete but may need a full service, including battery replacement, brake repair, and tuning to ensure optimal performance. Overall, it's a beautiful and rare classic car, but it requires some work to bring it back to its prime. Number 11. The 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass S, priced at $7,000, is in running condition but requires some repairs. The interior shows signs of wear, such as torn seats and some aged trim elements. The exterior also needs bodywork due to a few dings and rust spots. The glass is intact, and the tires are in good condition with aftermarket aluminum rims. The car features a hardtop and fastback styling with an Oldsmobile 350 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission, all matching the original numbers. Although it hasn't been driven in about a year, the car still runs, stops, and comes with a few extra parts. Number 12. The 1971 Mercury Cougar XR7, priced at $7,900, is a rare car with only around 1,700 units produced. It comes with a 351 Cleveland 2-barrel engine and automatic transmission. Additional features include power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, a factory tachometer, an AM radio with an 8-track player, bucket seats, a center console, and a rear rim blow steering wheel. The body requires repair, particularly the roof, which needs replacement, as well as some work on the floor and trunk. The interior is mostly complete, though the seats need cleaning and minor repairs. The car hasn't run and has been stored for 5 years, so it will need attention to mechanical components and possibly the engine and electrical systems before it can be driven again. Number 13. The 1971 Ford Mustang, priced at $7,500, has undergone some engine modifications and restoration. Mechanically, it has a rebuilt and significantly upgraded 302 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor. Engine modifications include trick-flow high-performance cylinder heads, an Edelbrock aluminum intake, a more aggressive comp cam shaft, and an Edelbrock 750 FM 4-barrel carburetor. Additionally, an AEL coil and dual exhaust are installed to enhance performance. The exterior has been repainted in medium blue metallic, replacing the original silver blue metallic, and all rusted panels were replaced during the restoration. The interior is well preserved, though signs of aging, such as slightly worn seats, are present. The floor has minor rust in some areas. Number 14. The 1960 Plymouth Fury, priced at $2,500, features a 225/6 engine and a push-button automatic transmission. The car can still run, stop, and function, but requires tuning and a carburetor cleaning to be fully road-ready. As a classic car, the heater has been disconnected due to leakage. Its interior remains original, and the car has undergone a second repaint. There are small rust spots on some body parts, particularly around the wheel arches, but overall, the paint is still in decent condition. This rare 2-door model does not come with official documentation, only a bill of sale. Number 15. The 1956 Jaguar MK7M, priced at $1,600, is an extremely rare model with only 2,700 units produced and comes with a Jaguar Heritage Certificate, enhancing its historical value. With 79,000 miles, the car is sold as is and still has a well-functioning 3.4L engine along with a smooth manual transmission. However, it requires brake repairs, likely due to its prolonged disuse, and some cosmetic fixes on the paint, which was redone in a striking 2-tone finish. The frame and body have undergone Zart treatment, leaving the car rust-free. This Jaguar presents an ideal restoration project or can continue to be driven in its current condition